So recently I had a client of mine mention something that maybe you think yourself, but what this client said is, I just feel like my cells are old and worn out. And you know what? That's actually very real. And the question is, what does that really mean? And typically, like you might actually view this as, my cells are old, my cells are worn out. You might think, well, I'm just dealing with this like cellular acidity. I have low cellular energy. There's a lot of ways that you can verbalize this, but typically what that's all about, it's basically that you have dirty mitochondria. Now, if you're not familiar with what mitochondria is a little engine that drives every cell in your body. It's actually responsible for 96% of your body's energy, and it's ultimately also essential for the high energy need areas of your body. So your kidneys, your liver, your heart, and also your brain. So to actually help your body in supporting mitochondria, it's always a great idea to use something called Ubiquinol. Ubiquinol is something that I use on a daily basis. I take 300 milligrams of Ubiquinol every day to support my mitochondria, because, of course, I want to enjoy 96% of my body's energy. And while, of course, I like the other benefits, but the big reason why I take it is actually support my brain health. But that's a big key if you're feeling like your cells are old and worn out. And then also, I take one other supplement that's just significantly beneficial for this perspective. And I take something called Berberine and Micro Pqq. And a simple way to explain this is, berberine is like a garbage truck for the mitochondria. It's almost like it backs up to the mitochondria, opens up the back, and allows the mitochondria to throw all of its trash, debris, and garbage into the berberine and carries it away. So it helps clean out the mitochondria. Now, the Micro Pqq aspect of this, my analogy is I think of a campfire. Think if you've got a campfire right here in front of you, and you took a can of lighter fluid and you spray that on the campfire. And you already know what's going to happen. The fire is going to grow. It's going to become more intense. It's going to become hot. And that's what Micro Pqq is like to the mitochondria. It just basically enhances the energy and the biogenesis and the bioactivity of the mitochondria. So together, when you use that berberine with the Micro Pqq, it really enhances the mitochondria. And there's even been some research to suggest that it almost might make your cells appear to be younger cells. And, when I found that, I'm like, sign me up for this. So just recognize, if you feel like your cells are old and worn out, or if you're dealing with cellular acidity or cellular fatigue, enhancing your mitochondria goes a long way in helping your body find its mitochondrial and cellular balance again.